First impression is I think it's going to be awesome.
I think it looks like a very beefy, really solidly built machine.
We're looking for the kind of shredder that can handle the material, the nastier material that we don't want to put through one of our high-speed grinders. There's obviously lower operational costs with fuel consumption, so anything that we can run through that way and still get the volume that we're looking for. We're also looking for the type of shredder that can handle contamination, rocks, metal, anything that'll show up in maybe a stump application or a heavier kind of wood or contaminated wood scenario. To take less damage on the high-speed grinders, we'd rather do the repairs on that slow speed because there's just less overall damage.
We can do it with one pass with the shredder, get rid of the metal and make everything to a smaller size material that we can run through our high speed.
It looks like there's a lot of easy access point to work on those pieces of equipment, and that's one of those pieces that plays into the whole process is how much time it takes to change tip, because that all comes into play when we're out there in the field trying to do this on site.
As anybody that runs a shredder or a grinder, it's not if you're going to work on it, it's how much, and serviceability is huge, and they've done a very good job on that.
You know, it kind of fit in your maintenance time into your operation. So it's really about, you know, the quicker that you can get through the machine, the more accessible the machine is, the better off you are in terms of being able to maintain that machine.
I think the big thing about Vermeer is the locations and the access to those parts and service are very appealing. Faster we can get it up and running again and back to work, it's very key that we get on it quick and get it fixed quick and get it back out the door. So having the parts and service very local and available is definitely a big plus.
There's a lot of team members out here today that have watched the machine run and are getting acquainted with it. They're there trying to understand just like us. You know, that means a lot as far as your dealer network goes.
The confidence that I have in knowing that Vermeer is going to back this machine, and I know that we're going to have that continued support. Now I'm very excited about the release of this machine.
I'm pretty excited about what's coming.